Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this week I'm kind of changing things up a little bit. I've been really busy with some personal items, and I haven't had a lot of time to get much done on the current projects, which are, I've got this Stutz Blackhawk that I've been working on. Right now I just got a silver base on it. I'm debating on the color. I guess I'm going to go black. So it's supposed to be, originally this was a silver one. I was going to kind of go original, and I'm starting to change my mind, so I think I'm going to paint it black and then put some decals on it. This should be next. I've got a commission project for a 2000, I'm not even sure the year, 11 or 16 Dodge Charger. This is going to be black as well. It's going to be a replica of the guy's car with a working sunroof or an opening sunroof. So I've got that. He sent me two. That's why, just in case I screw one up. It works out really well. I appreciate that. What else do I got? Excuse me. I've got this dairy delivery that I started working on like 3 months ago, and I've been kind of hemming and hawing about what to do with it. And I think I'm going to make a POW themed build. I was talking to somebody on Facebook the other day, and the idea kind of came. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm not sure. I want to make sure I do it right and do it justice. So that's in the queue. What else do I got? I've got this big bucket of mongoose cars and one army snake car. So I've got bits and pieces. I've got an original one that's in mint shape. So I'm not sure. These are all missing the windshield. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. I definitely need the glass because none of them have it. What else? Oh, I've been picking up these ground pounders at Hobby Lobby, and these wheels are perfect for a lot of different projects. And everybody always asks, where do you get your wheels? Yeah, I buy them on eBay sometimes. Sometimes I get them from Monoblock. But these, for certain projects, are awesome. The only thing with these is the size of the axle. And like the Hot Wheels, the axle will come through and you peen over the end, and it'll, the wheel spins that way. With these, the whole thing spins. So you have to use axle tubes, or it has to have an interior that allows it to hold the axle down. Otherwise they won't spin. So see how this has like a little bit of a head and goes through? Those aren't that way, but they are awesome wheels to use. And the castings are awesome too. I don't think I've ever built one. I just hack them up. I've got this Mustang that I've been working on. It's going to be for racing only, to go down a track. I'm not sure. I've got some lead for some weight, to add weight to it. I'm going to hammer it down. This has been sitting here for way too long. What else we got? Oh, I went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and I picked up, people are asking about tubes for Hot Wheels. I use the aluminum tube or the brass tube, and it's 1/16. That works perfectly for any Hot Wheels wheels for axle tubing. Okay, hold on a second. I don't have any left, but I use the 3/32 for the bigger wheels like the M2s, the pretty much anything else, Jada Toys, the Big Time Muscles, all those will use the larger. So technically that's all you need for axle tubing, 1/16 and 3/32. So that is that. I've been getting some a lot of mail from subscribers, and I think it's awesome, and I can't thank these people enough. It's unsolicited stuff, and they want nothing in return, and I don't even know how to, God, I haven't had to, it's kind of taking the fun out of it. I haven't had to go to a store and buy anything in months. Not that I still don't, but I haven't had to. I had somebody send me all these Mustangs. And one brat. He sent me all these Mustangs, plus he sent me this cool Matchbox cruiser. He sent me this red line, with, I mean, everything works. I'm not a huge red line guy as far as customizing. You'll never see me restore a red line. There's enough people out there that do it, and I don't have the patience, and I like to cut shit up. So he sent me that as well, plus this Jaguar. I've got one of these, I think, somewhere in my collection from my childhood. And this is awesome. This is my favorite. This is Monaco's, I think it's a Monaco, Fairmont stock car, which I love. So I'm definitely going to do something with this. Hold on one second. I'm doing this all kind of live. At the same time, trying to keep things organized. I also had somebody send me this 50 car case, which is amazing. I already took half of them out, so I'm not going to go through all of them and bore you. But, I mean, this is just amazing. And in exchange, he also sent me this. This is, in my opinion, this is mint. Now, this is going to get cut up. This is the one he wants redone. And before everybody gets all up in my business, the guy has like 12 of these things, and they're all mint. This one is not mint in his eyes, even though to me it is, and maybe to you as well. I don't know if the camera does it justice. I think I see like a little nick right here. Maybe a small nick here, and that's it. A little nick here. But anyways, he wants this. He wants my logo on the side, custom wheels, and a certain color that he wants painted. So I'm looking forward. This is going to be coming up sooner than later. It's going to be fun. I'm going to get tons of hate mail. I love it. Why are you cutting up a good? It is what it is. This is what he wants, and this is what he gets. But I get some cool ideas. I'm going to kind of hot rod this thing out. It's going to look pretty cool. He's got a vehicle that he plans on putting in the back, so the paint's got to match. So that's why it's the yellow is out of here on that. Also, on the Matchbox theme, my mother-in-law, Jesus, I'm not even going to swing my camera around and show you how messed up this place is. My mother-in-law gave me this carrying case from Matchbox. It was my brother-in-law's when they were kids. So, it's dirty. I haven't cleaned it. It's got 40 years of dust and grime and dirt. 1980. So, pretty cool. I'm going to put some of my customs in here. Like, really, I don't know. I think stuff like this is wicked cool. It's memories, too. Plus, it's still in the family. Kind of. So, I have a movie car challenge coming up. It's Opa's movie car challenge. And I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be doing the General Mayhem from the Roadkill TV series on Motor Trend. And this is the 68. And I've got all the parts and pieces and everything that I need to do it. I'm going to be starting that this week. I hope. There's just not enough time between work and family to really do everything I want to do. I wish I could do this full time, but I can't because I have to earn a living and I'm not independently wealthy, and my family would get pissed if I quit my job. So that's coming up, and then we get the truck challenge, shop truck challenge from Deep Junk Garage. This has been giving me fits. I have not started it, but hold on. First, I thought I was going to use this. This is a Maisto. I like the car anyways. It's kind of cool, and I wanted the bed, but this is all plastic, so it's really cheap. Then I got this. I was thinking about doing something with this, and then I'm like, okay, well, this can be my main truck. Then I got this. I'm like, okay, maybe I can do something with this. This looks definitely shop truck worthy. But, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. I want to be different. I dug up this. So, I'm giving anybody who's in the challenge is watching, I'm pretty sure this is the truck I'm going to use. And I'm going to use the gasser wheels on it. Okay, but I'm not doing it as a gas, so I'm just doing the wheels because I think they're pretty cool. And I also, yesterday, found this. I pity the fool who don't like this. But I wanted the trailer. I just think the trailer was cool. I'm not a fan of the truck. I like the van, but it's a van. So this is a shop truck challenge, and I've done enough vans for a little while, as much as I love vans. And it would be a cool shop truck. I haven't found one that I really, really, really like that would be fair to use. The only one that I possibly would do if I did a van would be this one. I've got this. It's bigger than 1/64. I'm not sure the size. This Volkswagen's cool. It's got the real riders on it. A lot of detail, but it's a larger scale than the 1/64. So I don't think it'd be fair to use that one. Someday I'll do something with that. Hold on a second. Let me clear my crap out of the way. It's probably turning into a really long video. A lot of people have asked me about my bracelet, the 22 a day, about veteran suicide. I'll put a link down below. There's a company called the Til Valhalla Project, and I've gotten a few things from them. And all the money, all the proceeds go to giving plaques to families of fallen heroes. So, and it's all, they do it for free. And so that's what that's about. Usually I have my POW bracelets on, but I got this about a month ago, so I've been wearing it nonstop, 24/7. All right, so other than that, I also got these. I've just been, it's like crack. I just keep buying shit. I got this. I just think the Bone Shaker one was really cool. I probably won't do anything with it for a while. And then this charger. I just think that the whole color scheme, everything about it, which is cool. I don't really care that it's the ID and all that stuff, but I like it. So I got that. Hopefully, again, and I apologize for not actually building a physical car here. It's just, I won't even go into all the stuff that's been going on. And one more thing. I keep saying that. I got this 32, and if you guys remember, I did one, I don't know, 3 or 4 months back, and it was just a test for painting candy paint directly onto the bare metal, and I was gonna make a rat rod out of it and repaint it, and everybody said, don't repaint it. Don't. Actually, I got it right here. Hold on. But wait, there's more. So I did this one. So I'm finally getting around to actually doing something with this, and I'm not sure what, but this is coming up sooner than later. It's been on my list. It's gonna be pretty cool. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna probably use the wheels off of this. Maybe. Again, I wing most of my projects once I start taking them apart, but this is definitely on my list to do sooner than later. Other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. I understand this isn't the normal build video, and I do apologize. Other than that, looking forward to these 2 build challenges coming up at the end of the month. I got a lot of work to do and a short time to do it. So I appreciate you guys watching. I love the comments, so make sure you please comment on anything, even if you hate this video. Comment, tell me it's horrible, whatever. If you do like it, great. I promise I'm not going to do a lot of these. I'm not a big fan of these kind of videos, but I'm desperate for just because nothing is done, and I got a busy day back and forth at the hospital with some family stuff. So I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next one.